Okay. Hi guys, Akumaldo Crypto here with another update. Bitcoin. I have presented this count here, uh, which is in a higher time frame, something like this. Okay, in an A, B, C. We would go down here in August to the region of 4K or 3K. Okay? And it's part of a triple combo. Yeah? ABC W, ABC X here. Okay, a shorter wave C, ABC Y. Here we have an ABC X. This ABC here is, for me, this X here, it doesn't look like an X at all. That might be a problem. It looks like an impulse wave. I've had problems trying to make sense of this X here. We need to have an A, B, C. I think I am stretching the theory here a little bit too far. But I have seen other analysts doing the same. And then we would have finished X here. A would have finished here in June. Okay, that falling edge, that impulse fall wave. Then we would have this reaction here. Then we would start an A, B, C, forming a B, and then we would have our C here, ending the correction, or perhaps not, ending here or ending here. Remember? If you have watched my other videos, we have this confluence here. Okay, we are swinging from high to low. From this X here, the high point, the highest point here, to the low, then swinging high to low, using our figure tracement. Again, from our X to our low here, we would have this confluence here, minus 33, 60%. We would have our targets here, right, as well as minus 61, 80% here. This would be next year, if we consider that this pitchfork is correct. Okay, so it's difficult to tell what is going on. What's really likely to happen, what will happen with 100% of certainty is impossible. What we try to do here is to give some guesses, to give some forecasts, what might happen, what might happen. So here we have a 1 hour chart trying to make sense of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 completing wave A, B, C. This would be our wave A. Then we would have a B, then a C. Okay, is that so? Or yes, we would complete wave A, yeah, then B here, and then B here. B would be, no, I'm sorry, B would be here and then C. Then we would go down to, this would be A, I'm sorry. Oh, I'm confused. A, this would be A, yes. A, we are completing now here. Then we would have a wave B, then a C, yes, B, and then a C to finish wave Z. Yes, or we would have this another count here. Again, a triple combo, but we would have finished wave A and B, and we would have 1, 2, would be now within wave 3, okay, 1, this would be 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, okay, and then 5 would finish it in August. July we would continuing correcting this final wave C. It's possible as well. We have this in the VPVR. We have this confluence here. We have a lot of interest in this 4K 200 region. So it might be possible. It might, yes. If we let me just yes, no, I have this is the 100% projecting H through B, then we have the C here, yes, and then we have half of the way here, we have as well 127, 20% here, okay, possible targets, okay. I have seen some analysts saying that this is a double combo, okay. What that means, they would say, let me have another chart here. We open chart layout just to be faster here, okay? Try to be faster. This BTC, USD. Stamp. Oh, okay, Bitstamp. Daily. I'm gonna use Bitstamp. Log scale. Okay. Here we would have finished the impulse wave. Remember, this is. I have noted. I have counted this as a 3. We would have now. We would be now in a wave 4, finishing this correction. If you remember correctly. If you remember if you have watched my other video, not here, okay, not here, perhaps, oh here, I'm sorry guys, what are shorts? Here I have presented that we need to take into account the amount of time that we have spent in this impulse wave, and then consider the amount of time that we are gonna spend in this correction. We have spent by the time that I have done this video here, when the previous video that I talked about this, we have spent 193 days, and I said that what would be nice would be 267 days. It would make like a 30%, 20 something percent, okay? At least 24% of the impulse wave, okay? We're talking about the time that has passed in this correction is relevant, okay? So I don't think that we're gonna end this correction like next week, next week. Yeah, we need some time. We need like 1 month to get to this 267 bars, to 267 days. We have not only, but we are in this correction for 195 days, right? Day is 39, so yes, 194. We would like to see this going to at least 260. Okay, this would be September, perhaps August, okay? So, I'm not saying that this is a certainty, but it's likely to happen. Corrections takes time. Corrections take time to finish it, and so we have a relationship with the previous impulse wave. Okay, it's not based on an assumption; it's based on the theory. Okay, so I'm sorry, I'm taking longer than I would expect. I like to I try to explain what I am thinking, and I'm sorry if it's a little bit too much. Okay, let's consider that we have a double combo instead of, I'm sorry, a double combo instead of a triple combo. Okay, this would be our x nonetheless, and finish here with our y. A, B, C, okay, this would be the same, A, B, C, again with a rather short A, a B, and then a really long C. Not uncommon, it's okay. And then we would have an A, B, C for our one X. Then we would have our A, B, and we would finish our C here. Okay? At the first glance, it seems to be the case, right? But again, why I don't, it might play really like this. It might be this might be the count. Okay, Elliott waves, we have different counts. We have different ways to approach the short and to have different counts. It's not we should not have a fixed count and rely on it and die with it. It's not the proper way of doing it. We need to have multiple counts and react to the market. Okay, so this might be the case, and then we would finish this correction a little bit sooner than my other counts. Okay, we would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would be the case here. Okay, what I don't like about this count though is that this looks like this looks like an ABC for me, rather than a impulse down wave. I would say 1, 2. What is the 3? You see, it's not okay. If you look at the 4-hour charts, perhaps you're gonna see a different thing. Yeah? But I don't know. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 3 would be shorter than wave 1 and 5. That wouldn't be the case. So I see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, A, B, C. I see the price action. The pattern here is an ABC. That's why I said. That's why I am labeling it triple combo, because this looks like WXY, because we have an A, B, C here, then an X here. I know this really looks like an impulse wave as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but X denotes failure. Denotes failure of impulse. So we have this kind of pattern. We often have this kind of pattern here, that we have this A, B in a really short truncated C. Okay, this is a double bottom, also double bottom. Yes? So here we have something like this, an A, B, C. I know it's not my perfect count. It's not the most perfect count that you're gonna count that you're gonna find out there, but I think it makes sense. This double combo here, ABC, ABC, ABC. I think that this ABC is a little bit too much elongated in time in comparison to the W and X. This is another point that I would like to consider. What I'm saying is this doesn't mean that this is wrong. Okay, I'm trying to see where we go here. Okay, we'll get to the 4K, 1500, 4500 here. Yeah, that would be the target. We might go there. Okay, like I said, we have those targets here in my other counts. Okay, so not impossible. What we should be looking at now is this point here. We have reached this. This is the lowest low of the year, but we haven't. See, this is a strange price action. This is an impulse wave. How are we gonna count this? This doesn't look like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 though. I know I labeled it like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5. I labeled it, but 1 hour chart, and I really don't like it. Okay, it doesn't look like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I'm trying to force myself into seeing this count here to make sense. It's sometimes, and I'm doing so because I have alternate counts. If we break this line here, this green line, this count here is completely out of the table. So, and then I would need to take a closer look at other counts like these. Okay, A, B, and C. This count as well. I think this B is rather short, but I like this count better than this one here. And I presented the A, B, and C. Here, this is the double combo. I like this count better than this. Okay, this is me. I don't think we are gonna finish this like now, middle June something like this. I think it's gonna take more time, and moreover, I think that we need to have another impulse up and then down. You feel this like you have this really sharp impulse wave down, really sharp, and a little bit less volume, and then down, and then up, and then down. I feel almost like we're gonna do this. Yes, we need somehow to. This might be me, okay. I feel that we need to do like one more and then down, again, lower highs and lower lows, and then we would see something like breaking out of this correction. Okay, we would have a line here, right? Yeah. We have a line here forming this triangle like structure. It's not a perfect triangle. Okay, some of the TA analysis here would say, oh, you need 3 touches. This would be another one. Okay, another touch. I'm sorry. I'm not this would be something like this. Oh, and then this, and then something like this. Okay. Oops. Oopsie. Oh. Sorry, guys. Yes, I think that we need this kind of then a lower low and then up. Okay, and I would have this triangular thing. Drawing some triangle lines here just to make it. Oops. Sorry again. Something like this. Okay. Good. Yes. Okay, not a lot of here, perhaps 1, 2, 3. First. Okay. I think that it's pretty clear that for me at least, it's clear that we need something like this, another impulse wave, another try, another attempt to break this line here, then down. It's what the algos would like, right? It's about profit. If you go up and then down, you have more profit. Okay, that's why I like this count better. Okay. No, I'm sorry, not discount. Discount better, because it implies that we would need this one here. It implies that we need another high, another lower high, okay, relative to this x, and this x wouldn't have another lower high, and then we would have a lower low. Okay. So it remains to be seen. Okay, I recommend you guys should really pay attention at this point now here and see if it breaks this low here. Okay, I think it has broken it. 1 hour. I think it has broken it. 1 hour doesn't seem like it, but yeah, it's really difficult to consider that this is a 1-2 now. I know. Come on. Yeah, here. I'm sorry. There. Here I have the graph. Yeah, it's almost. Yeah, not, but like by really 20 bucks, it's really difficult to consider this as a 1-2. Not impossible though, but we need to see. This is almost invalidating the impulse wave, you see. 1-2, but I would like to point out that it wouldn't be the first time that we would have a deep correction like this. We had this in Bitcoin, in this X here. Okay, this X here. You see this one here is 1-2 here. Okay, this is a really deep 2. Okay, if you come here and you do our fib here, you see that there we are. Okay, not as deep, but this is a 1 hour chart. We have breached through the we have breached through the 80-70% here, so it's not impossible. And then we had this X wave, failed impulse wave, so it's not impossible. We might see this scenario here: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and A. And then we would have a B, C, B. We would complete B here of a higher degree. Then it would go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, A, B. We would have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave C. Okay. Remains to be seen. I think that it's a matter of time, of course. Okay, guys, if you like my short analysis, if you like the channel, please subscribe. And as always, enjoy your trades. Okay, bye bye.